Hi everyone, behind the scenes our team has been working very hard, and today I'm excited that I can finally announce a new and very powerful addition to the DDTSB platform. At DDTSB, our mission has always been clear. We want to help workshops to maintain, diagnose and fix vehicles as efficiently as possible with minimum downtime and maximum quality and independence. We want you to be able to fix vehicles in-house quickly and confidently. Until now, there were two main ways of finding solutions on our platform. The first is in the bulletins section, where you can explore known issues and proven fixes. But we also understand that not every fault that comes into your workshop is a known or a repetitive fault. And therefore, we also offer a help desk, where if you wish for a small fee, you can connect to one of our many brand specialists. This ensures that with the assistance of our help desk, most issues can still efficiently be solved in your own workshop. But we felt something was missing, something flexible, accessible, something collaborative, something that's always available, even after opening hours, without any extra costs. And that's why we are thrilled to announce the DDTSB Community. With the Community tab on your homepage, you can instantly connect to over 10,000 professional workshops that use the DDTSB platform from all around the world, 24/7 and without any extra costs. The Community allows you to ask questions, share knowledge and to collaborate with industry experts from all around the globe. And the community is so easy to use. You can post a question in your own language and the platform will automatically translate it for you, making international collaboration seamless. Whether you're looking for help or you're willing to share your expertise, the community creates a place where information can flow freely between automotive professionals. Once a case is solved, it can be marked as solved, making sure it can help others facing similar issues. The best answers are highlighted through community voting, ensuring that high quality and reliable information always rises to the top. And to make your experience even better, you can customize your homepage to either show or hide the community threads. You can use advanced filters to find the relevant information you're looking for. You get real-time notifications and you get access to detailed updates directly from your dashboard. With DDTSB Community, the world just became a little bit smaller, and expert advice from all around the globe is now at your fingertips and only one question away. So please jump in and make it yours.